Hello, my dear students. Welcome to another online session. I'm Dr. Ankur is here to conduct today's session. Hopefully, all for good and safe, and you are doing well in your preparation. And if you have any query, if you have any question, anything else, please communicate with me through my mobile, messenger, WhatsApp, mail, what you want. But don't waste. So today I'm going to start today's session. Number is physical methods of microbial control. Number one is heat, number two filtration, and number three is radiation. Okay. So if your examiners ask you what is the physical methods, you will see that sir, there is a heat, number two filtration, and number three is radiation. There are also three pictures we have seen. Number one is the heat. Yes, we are seeing that there's a picture of the heat. Number two, there is a two. First, we can say, and this is showing about the filtration. And number three, the picture we are seeing that there is a picture of there's a region about the causation radiation area. This is all about we are want to see about the radiation. Okay, my dear. Hopefully, you are understanding. Sunlight, bactericidal activity, disinfection. This disinfectant action is due to ultraviolet rays and heat. Natural method of sterilization of water intake, rivers and lakes. Drying. Water constitutes 4 and 5th of weight of bacteria. Drying in air has deleterious effect and spore are not effective. Okay, it is all about the sunlight and drying. We are describing in this slide, and also we are seeing a picture of the sun sun rising. It's very attractive picture. I think heat. Okay, my dear. Heat kills microorganisms by denaturing their enzymes and other proteins. Uh, Heat resistance varies widely among microbes. So if your examiner asks what is the heat, you say that sir, heat kills microorganisms by denaturing their enzyme and other proteins. Fast and reliable inexpensive, does not introduce potential toxic substance. Now the type of heat. There is two type of heat. Number one is dry heat. Number two is moist heat. So what is the type? The type is a dry heat and another is moist heat. Okay. The mechanism of action of the heat. First, we will discuss about the dry heat. What is going on? The heat kills by protein denaturation, oxidative damage, and toxic effects of elevated levels of electrolyte. That means dry heat kills protein denaturation, oxidative damage, and elevated level of electrolyte. Okay, and moist heat it kills coagulation, denaturation of enzyme and structural protein. So we can tell it kills the coagulation, denaturation, and structural protein. Okay. Now we'll discuss about the application of heat. Thermal dead time is the length of time required to kill all bacteria in a liquid culture at a given temperature. Thermal dead point is the lowest temperature at which all bacteria in a liquid culture will be killed in 10 minutes. Decremental reduction time is the length of time in which 90% of a bacterial population will be killed at a given temperature, especially useful in canning industry. Now we'll discuss about the dry heat. This is the picture we are showing. We are seeing that there is a now we will also describe the picture. First, we are saying our remaining part. The red heat material are held in the flame of a Bunsen burner till they become red hot. Inoculation wires or loops, tips of forceps and needles. Here we can see this. There is a Bunsen burner and wires and loops are we are seeing. Okay, this is all about the dry heat. And number two is all about the red heat. Number two is flaming. Materials are passed through the flame of a Bunsen burner without allowing them to become red heat. Last side, scalpels, mouth of culture tubes. Okay, this is all about the flaming. Number three is incineration. Is very important. Incineration is the materials are reduced to ashes by burning. Instrument used was incinerator. Number three, solid dressing, soil dressings. Number animal carcasses, bedding, pathological material. This is the picture of incineration. Hot air oven. Most widely used method is hot air oven, electrically heated and fitted with a fan to even distribution of air in the chamber, fitted with a thermostat that maintains the chamber air at a chosen temperature and time. 160 degrees centigrade for 2 hours, 170 degrees centigrade for 1 hour, 180 degrees centigrade for 30 minutes. This is if your examiner is asking what are the temperature of hot air event. First you say sir is a 160 degrees centigrade for 2 hour, 170 degrees centigrade for 1 hour and 180 degrees centigrade for 30 minutes. Okay, hopefully we are answering this type. This is a picture of Hoteragon. Uses sterilization of glassware like glass syringe, petri dish, pipettes, and test tubes. Number two, surgical instruments like scalpels, scissors, forceps, etc. Chemical like liquid paraffin, threads, etc. Precautions. Number one, should not be overloaded. Number two, enhanced in a manner which allow free circulation of air. Material to be sterilized should be perfectly dry. Perfectly dry. Test tube, flask, etc. should be fitted with cotton flask. Petri dish and pipette should be warped in paper, rubber material, and inflammable material should not be kept inside. The oven must be allowed to cool for 2 hours before opening, since glassware may crack by sudden cooling. This is the picture of sterilization control. We are seeing a things we are picture we are understand. There is a sterilization control. Number sport of bacillus subtype subspecies nigra. Number two thermocouples and number three brown tube. Okay, thank you very much. Hopefully you understand everything. If you have any query, please communicate with me through my mobile over phone messenger, but don't be hesitant. So thank you, my dear. Thank you very much.